Simpson with Jim Houston.
Welcome to what is looking like an exciting exhibition game. Played across. Landerskog grabs the puck into the attacking zone. Shoots the puck. Makar gets in the way. Landerskog takes possession of the puck. Johnson. In the corner. Johnson with the puck. McKinnon gives him the business. Quick pass up. Brings it out. Moved ahead. McKinnon. Delayed call against Colorado. Makar is going off for hooking.
And we've got a beautiful angle on this replay. Take a look.
There should be no doubt in your mind about the call. Wilson takes control of the puck. Delayed call. Cockrick will get the gate for tripping.
That definitely calls for some time in the penalty box.
The officials aren't going to allow tripping in this game or any other. Colorado will now play 4-on-4.
And that has to come as some relief to their coach. Now, their speed could give them a real advantage in this situation.
Cole gets hold of the puck. Donskoy shoves him. Burakovsky advances the puck. Sephiroth with the puck. Makar comes out of the box, putting his team on the power play. Played across, passed ahead. That's icing.
Be sure to check out the in-depth post-game coverage and interviews on your AM dial.
The face-off goes to the Avalanche. Johnson intercepts the pass. Moved ahead. Colorado dumps the puck in. Makar got it. Nieto fires hard. Namestnikov jumps on it. Thrashed. Colorado has it now. Rantanen. Franzus stabs at it.
Great save with the glove hand.
With a wrist shot, stone cold by Franzus. McKinnon jumps on the loose puck. Wilson. Colorado gobbles it up. Benamor runs over Rantanen. Benamor finds the loose puck. The ref indicates a delayed call. Cockrick is going to the box for hooking.
The referee makes the call. It's hooking. And that means 2 minutes in the box.
The face-off goes to the Avalanche. Franzus turns him away.
2 minutes for hooking.
Move back. Landerskog shoots it quickly. McKinnon stops the shot. Franzus hangs on for the whistle. The action's about to start. This man is one of the best around when it comes to the draw.
More often than not, he comes away with the puck, and that lets his team set the pace.
Passed ahead. Cochran knocks him off the puck. Colorado grabbed it. Burakovsky out of their defensive end. Passed across. Over the line. Donskoy. Wrist shot. Makar takes control of the puck. Burakovsky. Colorado scooped it up. And out they come with a puck. Centered. Fired it hard. Missed the net. One-timer. Blocked. Burakovsky. McKinnon gets the shot off. Franzus hangs on for the whistle. They're getting ready for the face-off. The face-off goes to the Avalanche. Played up. Cockrick takes possession of the puck. Turned away.
What a save off the blocker.
Cockrick skates back onto the ice. The power play is over. Out over the blue line. Donskoy. McKinnon gets checked. Colorado needs to be making a line change soon. Makar with the puck. Colorado dumps the puck in. Johnson finds it. Rantanen gets pushed. Kraken finds the loose puck. The Avalanche dump it. Graves takes possession. Benamor fires it. Colorado corrals it. Rantanen.
Line 2.
Over the blue line. Up along the boards. Rantanen gets laid out. Moved up. Girard knocked him off the puck. Kraken gets checked. Cole gets hold of the puck. Burakovsky, quick shot. Namestnikov. Cole in control now. Franzus stoned him.
Line 3.
Moved ahead. Quick pass up. Burakovsky grabs the puck.
Line 3.
Over the line. Wilson scoops up the loose puck. Nichushkin.
Line 2.
Breaks it. Denied by Franzus. Moved up. McKinnon gets the loose puck. Right in front. Shoots the puck. Scores!
As that shot proves, a backhander is dangerous from anywhere.
It's purely a guessing game for the goalie, and he guessed wrong there. Colorado will need to come up with a showstopper of their own.
They've got the skill. Now let's see if they can put it to good use.
Nieto intercepts the pass. Franzus closed the door. Shoots quickly. Franzus denied him. McKinnon scores.
A loose puck after the initial shot led to that goal. Rebounds like that are lethal to a goal.
Colorado was hoping to head to the dressing room with their lead intact.
Well, whichever team wins this game, they're going to have to earn it.
By number 96, Nico Gregory. Fans, this year's Hockey Fights Cancer Charity Drive raised over $200,000.
Second period's about to start.
We should see lots of early pressure, Jim, as both sides try to set the tone.
Cole grabs the puck, and out they come with the puck. Kraken takes possession of the puck. Donskoy gets checked. Nichushkin gets the loose puck. Shoots! Corralled by Colorado. Burakovsky. Donskoy corrals it. He dumps it. Makar gets a hold of it. Run over. Donskoy scores! Wow, what a wristery uncorked on that goal.
That was an absolute laser beam that found the back of the net.
Colorado now down by 1 early in the second.
This definitely isn't how they wanted to start the period.
Rantanen shoots the puck. Colorado picks it up. McKinnon clotheslines Rantanen. Rantanen saved by Franzus. In over the line.
Line 2.
Donskoy with a wrist shot. Franzus gets a leg on it. Donskoy gets hold of the puck. Rantanen dumped it in. McKinnon has it now. Mowed down.
They're playing like warriors.
Through center. Over the blue line. Wrist shot. Franzus closes the door. Cole with the puck. Hammered.
Line 3.
Wilson. Wilson with a wrist shot. Colorado got it. Graves. He gets taken out.
He couldn't get by him.
Graves gets in the way. Nichushkin takes control of the puck. The Avalanche dump it in. Fires! Franzus gets a pad on it.
Stops the shot and makes the save.
Passed ahead. Played up. Colorado dumps the puck in. Donskoy gets shoved. He takes possession of the puck.
Line
Johnson gets checked. He scoops up the loose puck. Johnson, Colorado, scoops it up. Working along the perimeter, Makar stops the shot. Quick pass up. Moved ahead. Backhand, pad save. Girard. Ahead to the neutral zone. Johnson knocks the puck loose. Colorado takes control. McKinnon. Blinderskog takes possession. Donskoy pushes him. He gets hold of the puck. Cole gets pushed. Nichushkin gets the loose puck. McKinnon gets shoved. Burakovsky scoops up the loose puck along the boards. Donskoy, one time, saved by Franzus. Makar jumps on the loose puck. Nichushkin runs over Cole.
He's got to keep his head up.
Hard one-timer. Burakovsky scores.
A good wrist shot is hard to stop, and that was a good wrist shot.
Colorado ties it up with half a game left to play.
Now's the time to start pushing for the lead.
Burakovsky gets checked.
By number 28.
He grabs the puck. Makar shoves Burakovsky. And out they come with the puck. Donskoy finds the loose puck. In front, Franzus, great save.
The shot was on target, but so is the goalie.
Delayed penalty coming up for Colorado. Kokrick will serve time for hooking.
Take a look at the replay, and it's crystal clear what happened. Keep your eye on his stick.
Colorado drew the penalty and will have to play shorthanded.
That means playing smart positional hockey on offense and scrambling on defense. It'll be a tough few minutes.
Let's see what happens. Burakovsky grabs the puck. Kokrick. He's in control now.
Change up! Change up!
Icing against Colorado. The puck is about to be dropped. Johnson. Across, and this time they've gone in offside. We're ready for the face-off. This man's got tremendous concentration.
And he uses it well on the draws. Just watch the way his team lines up. They know he's going to win it.
Rantanen gets pushed.
He just wouldn't let him by, Jim.
Passed ahead. Blinderskog gets the loose puck.
Change up!
Blinderskog. Cole gobbles it up. Blinderskog now with it taken out.
Tried to slip away, but no good.
Kokrick shoves him. Graves steals it. Colorado jumps on it. Shoots it quickly. Franzus made the save. Franzus hangs on for the whistle. The ref is ready to drop the puck. Kokrick returns his team to full strength as he's completed his penalty. Moved up. Makar takes possession of the puck. Makar gets checked. One times it. He jumps on the loose puck. Cole moved it. That was a great save.
You need to be fast to stop a one-timer. You almost have no time to reposition yourself.
The players are lined up and ready for the face-off. Brings it out. Across. Centers it. Girard gets hold of the puck. He gets laid out. Advances the puck. Cole gets the loose puck. Nichushkin shoots hard. Colorado takes over. Scores!
He saw some net above the goalie's shoulder and fired it home. This is what's so great about the wrist shot. It's not as fast as a slap shot, but it's quicker to get off and way more accurate.
This team is looking to leave their opponents behind.
They didn't want to start the third period on even terms. That's how upsets happen.
The good old days are back again. Vintage jersey now on sale at all kiosks in the...
Welcome back as we start the third period.
It's been a close game so far, but that could change soon.
The face-off goes to Colorado. Moved ahead. Benamor scoops up the loose puck. Blocked. Moved across. Passed ahead. Girard gets hold of the puck. Namestnikov. Colorado puts its second line out. Makar gets the loose puck. Girard, he gets pushed.
That one connected.
Quick pass up. Moved up. Makar takes possession of the puck. Makar gets shoved. Gets the shot off. Across. Landeskog shoots quickly. Johnson takes control of the puck. Out of their defensive end. Played up. In all alone. Wrist shot. Franzus gets the blocker on it. Rink wide pass. Shoots quickly. Saved by Franzus. Sephiroth jumps on the loose puck. Cole now has it. Burakovsky shoots it. Nichushkin grabs it. Out over the blue line. Cole takes possession of the puck. Kokrick grabbed it. In over the line. Shoved. Johnson with the puck. Out over the blue line. Wilson finds the loose puck. Johnson fires it. Franzus stoned him. Quick pass up. Wilson. Hold down.
He took it to him on that check.
Pass back. Wilson scoops up the loose puck. Burakovsky. Colorado dumps the puck in. Grabbed by Colorado. Brings it out. Graves dumps the puck in. Colorado now with it. Kokrick. Jumped on by Colorado. Landeskog. He gets shoved. He scoops up the loose puck. Benamor pushes Landeskog. Benamor has his pocket pick. Landeskog dumped the puck in. Ahead to the neutral zone. Nichushkin. Backhand all along the boards. Wilson gets nailed. Graves with the puck. Girard gets laid out. Nichushkin takes possession of the puck. Johnson shoulders him. Breakaway. Nieto with a wrist shot. Franzus has refused to allow a single goal.
With some goalies, the busier they are, the better they play.
Girard with the puck. Wilson gets checked. Colorado dumps the puck in. Nichushkin. Namestnikov scooped it up. Taken out.
Now that's how you hit a guy.
Namestnikov. Sephiroth. Passed across. Moved up. Nieto gets pushed off the puck. Into the attacking zone. Sephiroth takes control of the puck. Burakovsky fires! Rantanen gets the pass from Franzus. Colorado puts its scoring line out. Cole jumps on the loose puck. Colorado puts its checking line out. Johnson grabs the puck. That's offside. Namestnikov scoops it up. Franzus has faced a ton of shots in this game.
He's a big reason this team is playing as well as they are.
McKinnon with a chance to score. Nieto
Minute of play in the third.
passed ahead. Franzus is getting yanked.
Right now, they need the extra attacker in a big way.
Saved by Franzus. Played back. Graves. Rantanen takes control of the puck. Wrist shot. Empty netter. Nothing risked, nothing gained, I guess.
Well, they had to take a chance by pulling the goalie late, and that empty netter sealed the deal in this one.
That appears to have eased the tension.
I don't think the last few seconds will be quite as exciting.
By number 96, Mikko Rantanen.
Graves scoops up the loose puck. Shoots! Blocked. Franzus, great save!
The goalie saw the play develop, and he knew when to make his move.
Off with a wrist shot. Donskoy. Shot hard. Leg save.
Stops it with his pads.
Girard gets in the way. That's it. Colorado claims supremacy.
Stellar job on the penalty kill. And that earned them the win here tonight.
That's how you play shorthanded hockey. They really executed well and took the win.
Number 72. Tonight's second star for Colorado, number 29, Nathan MacKinnon.
From Denver, Colorado, and for EA Sports, I'm Jim Hewson.
And I'm Craig Simpson. Have a great one.